Alrighty there, my revenants. This is actually a very um, exciting kind of a build here that I'm going to be running for you, and it's just so much fun. It has a lot of utility. It has a lot of over-the-top flash to it, and spice and everything. And the greatest thing about it is that you can keep your friends alive. And if you are adventuring with someone, this turns into just an overwhelming build here, as most enemies in the game are weak to lightning. Certain enemies are weak to ice. A lot of enemies are weak to pierce. But the fact of the matter is we have basically infinite iCore efficiency here that we can run against all these lost. The greatest place to display this is here in the cathedral, as everybody here is weak to pierce lightning. Most people are weak to pierce ice, so this will be the most idealized version and use case for this. In the game here, and it's only fitting that we are running ISIS. And I've heard a lot of comments lately about what was my favorite blood code and so on and so forth. But I don't really necessarily have a favorite blood code specifically per se, and but I do have a favorite kind of playstyle, and this is probably my second favorite kind of playstyle here, is running guns and running gifts in tandem to get the enemy kind of all riled up here. So the gift that you will be switching based on need will be Avarice and Regenerative Drain. Since we're running the Hound's Veil from the Daybreak Thunderfang, you have pretty good iCore Drain, but then if you need life because you need to be healing your Revenant friends, you can switch that to Regenerative Drain and get monstrous amounts of health back. Okay, so let's go ahead and send a distress signal, see if anybody's out there to join, because this works exceptionally well when you're running with friends, but it can run very well when you're alone. Okay, so we'll just go for a backstab here if we can get it. Okay, nope, no backstab. Okay, we'll shoot her once. There we go. And maybe a backstab? Nope, no backstab. Okay, that's okay. That is fine with me. And when we run the invasion, you'll see just how good this can actually be, as there are people paired down long hallways and stacked up on top of each other and so on and so forth. And since we have Regenerative Drain, we're getting about 15 iCore back. Okay, 1, 2, okay. Oh, go for that backstab again, because we need to get as high as possible here. And this will almost load us up fully. Okay, and then we'll shoot her down. Now, since she's weak to Pierce Lightning, the Thunderbolt makes very quick work. And if enemies get stacked up, we have Frost Wave, because of Cognitive Zeal being active, and also then we can shoot people down pretty quickly with our Lightning Bayonet. Okay, so let's go for some backstab potential here. Get as much iCore as we can before we head over to the invasion. I wouldn't think that anybody's going to be joining us, but we'll have the distress signal open just in case anybody would like to show up and kind of show this off. Now, I was playing with a Faithful Revenant the other day, and this worked out so very well. It was almost unfair how overpowered this kind of setup here was. Oh, we got a Revenant. Okay, so sorry to them, but our gifts are already going, and we can't pick this up. Okay, that's unfortunate, but we'll have to see what goes. And I guess we'll go for this, and I guess we're wasting our items here, but that's okay. We should be, and we're going to lose Cognitive Zeal, so that's even worse. Okay. Too bad we didn't get it picked up before they got here. Okay, and we can run in circles, but this is extra special since we're using ISIS here in the cathedral, and ISIS is kind of the most mundanely balanced blood codes in the game, along with Scothic, and the difference between these two is not much, but they do have really good overlap. Okay, so let's go ahead and head on over here. Okay, and we got the monkey there. And we kill the monkey. Okay. And the reason the Hound's Veil is so special here in the cathedral is because, okay, because you can use the Hound's Veil to pick people up and put them over the edge when you do a drain attack. Kind of like that. Okay, so let's back up here. And we'll go for a Frost Wave down the lane. Okay. Oh, good grief. Okay. Okay, we'll get Mia back. Okay, and we'll go for a shot on this lady. And then we will go for some backstabs here and get some of that Ichor going. So you see here that as we are out of some gifts here and such, and we can just go ahead and shoot those people down. And since we have really good stagger built into our weapon here, and then we can do a Frost Wave down range, and that just gets it going. Okay, so we avoided her. So let's go for a backstab now, get some of that Ichor back. Okay, and here come all these people. Okay, and we'll go for a Frost Wave down lane. Oops. Okay. Okay, there we go. And we'll continue shooting here. Oh no, come on. I always die in the invasions. And I can't ever give you guys a full run here where I actually complete it and do it well. But this is just such a fun build as you are constantly shooting and sending gifts down range and such, and as it is light based, but at the same time you have very, very high willpower because of your blood code. This allows you the ability to do things like this, and from a distance you can kill her at almost halfway. Okay, and then one shot to the face almost put her down. Okay, and now that we have Avarice going, we can get our 15 Ichor back on backstabs here. So we will go for a couple here and get some of that Ichor back. Let's drink some water. Okay, and we'll go for a couple more backstabs here, as we don't want to kind of give up the ghost here too early. Okay, and if we go for a couple of things here, and as you see, oh, I guess this thing died. Lightning Barrage is only 4 Ichor, and if we're getting 15 back, we can use a whole bunch of gifts each and every time that we get involved with different folks, which is really, really good because you never want to be running out of Ichor if you don't have to. Alright, and we'll go for a backstab on this guy. And when I was playing earlier, this just was absolutely overwhelming, and it was so much fun to see how we went through the cathedral here, we went through the Arachnid Grotto, and we went through the memories, and each one of those was just unbelievably overwhelming for the enemy, and it was really, really, really fun. So if you're looking for a good bayonet kind of a build and such, and you're looking to kind of diversify your play style a little bit and how you approach different situations and such, this can be just such an enjoyable way to go about it. Okay, and we'll go ahead and send a Frost Wave down there, kill that monkey, and go for a backstab here. Okay. There we go. Okay, and oh, come on, where was the dodge? 1, 2, okay, and here, oh, if I can get it, come on, would you, oh, I hate that big lady, as her backstab position there was not too great. Okay, and it makes use of the Lightning Barrage as well, which is very nice. And if I could get the position here on this lady. Okay, I guess I can't. Okay, good job, Mia. And for the monkeys, each bayonet shot staggers them, so that's even extra good. Okay, and oh, we don't have cognitive zeal going, so we'll go for cognitive zeal, and then we'll send a frost wave downrange, just in case anybody's down there. I don't know where Mia's at. Okay, and then we can shoot her in the back. That's very, very good. Oh, okay, we got lots of monkeys now, which is not great. No, this way. Dodge that way. There we go. We'll go for a frost wave. Okay, and we'll go ahead and shoot her, and shoot her again. Okay, and here you'll see the pickup mechanic of the Hound's Veil, as you can throw people over the edge, which is excellent. Okay, oh, this is a monkey. Okay, kill this thing. Oh, good grief. I didn't see her here. Okay, that's okay. Mia's almost dead there. That's very bad. Okay, and we can send a barrage that way. Okay, we'll send a frost wave down that way. Now you can see here, when the enemies are all stacked up, they kind of don't know what to do with themselves, and they get stacked up very, very easily. So we'll send a frost wave down there, and we'll kill many enemies. So let's go for a couple of things here. Okay. Oops. Oh, thanks, Mia. Okay, we'll send a frost wave down there. Okay, there we go. So as you can see there, we definitely have tons of power and staying power as well. Now that we are damaged, we would switch to regenerative drain. And now as we come up against different enemies here, we will definitely want to go for the hounds. We'll knock that guy over there. That's fine. Mia will take care of him, I'm sure. And we'll go for a drain activator, and then we'll go for a mobility enhancer, and this will help us get a little bit more ichor here, while at the same time having the ability to get some health back. Okay. Okay, come on. Okay. There she is. Okay, let's go for some help. Okay, I don't know where she's at. I can't see. Okay, whatever. That was kind of bizarre. Let's go ahead and heal, or get Cleansing Light going. And then this guy, we can also get some health back here. Okay. Oh, somebody responded. This might be a little late for them, but that's okay. We'll see how we do here, and maybe we can get the drain. Yeah, we got it. Okay, whew. That was a very high risk reward there. And let's go for some health. Okay. Okay, let's go for a launch. And we should be able to get some health back here. And yeah, we went for the knockdown. Oh, that's fun. I've not seen them do that before. Oh, she saved herself? What? Through an attack? You gotta be kidding me. Okay, so that was definitely odd. I don't know where Mia went. Let's give her some help. She looks like she's in a bad way. Oh, she's now back here with us. Okay, that's good. And we'll do this, and we'll go for a frost wave. So you can see that you can hit enemies at a distance while at the same time being close. Oh man, this lady is getting out of hand here very, very quickly. And let's go for another frost wave here. Okay. Come on. There we go. And why we are going for White Mia along with this is to set up the idea that gift extension is a fabulous gift, but since we don't have another slot for it, okay, we just can't get another person in here. But But as you can see, we definitely have a lot of power for it, and if we go to something like the Arachnid Grotto, which would be reminiscent of the Ashen Cavern, or we can even just go to the Ashen Cavern, and you can see what we can do there. But it's such a fun way to go about adventuring, and if you like ISIS, this is a great build to run with. But it does require DLC 3 from these two, and from Frostwave also from DLC 2, I believe. I believe it comes from which blood code does it come from again? Perseus, yes. Okay, so this is DLC 3. It's all DLC 3 here that you need for this setup here specifically. But as you didn't really give you a good showing of regenerative drain, but if you're playing with Avarice, you're up to a 1.62, which is times 9, so that's about 15, right? 9 times 1.62? Yeah, 14 and a half, so that's pretty good. And then on if you're running regenerative drain here, you are up to 1.08, so you're getting about 10 on a backstab, which is just enough for cleansing light. So even that is good enough, and if you can abuse the framing data, remember, then you can get back a lot more than 10% health from the Hound's Veil. But using the fortified Thunderbolt is the highest damage on shot that you can do from the Thunderbolt, and no other Chrome really does any more than that. But pairing up here with these sets of gifts, you can definitely heal yourself and your friend. This works much better when you have a friend involved. And when I was doing the testing with another Revenant, it was just completely overwhelming for the enemy, since you can stand at a distance and do damage at a distance while even being up close with the shotgun. So if you're enjoying the gun kind of style here in Code Vein with some gifts on the side here to boot, then go for ISIS, and this is a great way to go about it. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.